Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Nissan X-Trail T31 ST, stock reference number 3840. This shape runs from the 10th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand front and the right hand rear. We have the chrome radiator grille, factory alloy nudge bar with all bolts and brackets, left hand halogen headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags, left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, LED type, tailgate has one small dent. It's got a TAG tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom end module, less neck. Right hand tail light, LED type. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. And right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.